Kristian of the 1st and 64th Customs YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. Kristian is one of the finest members of our customizing community and a dear friend of mine, and I'm absolutely thrilled with what he created here. In his words, the basic premise was he set out to make a fleet of cars to harvest the bone shaker. My fault for including a combine, really. But then the rat head was thrown in, and he got to thinking on arrival some plans soon went astray. A scale didn't allow for certain elements. Building the Kombi-nation slingapult first impressed at how well the Ericksteinrod and Kool Kombi matched up. He thought for a while on the harvester, almost hacking it apart completely, before he noticed some cars fitted nicely under the back end, more so once the rear wheels were removed. So I didn't bother on drilling the Superbird before merrily setting into it with sharp power tools to help him see if it would even fit. Before he knew it, he built the Straun-Mossity, a blend of everything on the junk heap that did something designed to pull victims into the thresher wheels and spit them out the chute as shrapnel. He made Thrommel's thing, you see there, because that's pretty much all I have ever seen in my head when looking at one. And finally, the Rattler, the sneaky water-stealing scourge of the tundra. I'm annoyed with it as much as it's possibly my favorite of the lot, and you will tell everyone. No, Kristian, you will, as they just saw in that clip from your email. These are fantastic. I don't know what else to say, Kristian. I love them all. The bone shaker build here is my favorite too. I love the rat. Everybody, I hope you like these builds as much as I do. Check out his channel, his Facebook page, and Instagram. The links are in the description. Thanks again for participating, Kristian. This was the first international challenge. There will be a few more of these in the future. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.